Hey there, my name's Terry. Welcome to my world. I'm a historian who studies and teaches about Vikings, but I'm also someone who loves to cook, and so I spend a lot of time in my kitchen. Sometimes I just dance. And other times I cook and dance. But mostly I spend time playing with food and experiment with creating good things to eat. And so this channel is where I combine those two passions of mine. And if you join me here, you'll learn how to cook some tasty things, and you'll also learn some history along the way. My friend Jamie calls me the Shieldmaiden in the kitchen, and I think that sounds just about right. So if what I do interests you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as a Viking would say, tack för det, sjamst, thanks, and see you around.